Lisa Williams, I've had dry mouth for a year. I've been to the doctor and the dentist. My good cholesterol has dropped down to 49. What can help the dry mouth and to get my cholesterol back up? Lisa, you don't want to get your cholesterol back up. That is a great situation to be in, and one has nothing to do with the other. Having a good cholesterol down to 49, a normal is 40 or higher. So things that you can do to get it back up. Now I understand the spirit of your question. I apologize. You're right. You do to get the good cholesterol back up. You don't want the total cholesterol up. So when you do a cholesterol panel, there's a total cholesterol which should be under 200, and the lower that number becomes, the lower the good cholesterol, which is the HDL, the high density lipoprotein. That is the one that prevents you from having a heart attack or a stroke. And then the LDL, the bad cholesterol, the low density lipoprotein. That is the one that makes you have a heart attack or a stroke. The LDL should be less than 100. Anything in the 70s is considered good. Anything under that is considered phenomenal. And again, the good cholesterol, you want to be 40 or higher. 49 is a good number. You can get that number up by taking omega-3 fish oil. Omega-3 fish oil lowers your triglycerides, lowers your total cholesterol, increases your HDL cholesterol, and lowers the LDL, the bad cholesterol. The problem with most people that take omega-3 fish oil is they don't take a therapeutic dose. Most over-the-counter preparations are 1,000 milligrams, and 1,000 milligrams, if you take one or two, that's not enough. The dose that you need to take is 3,000 to 4,000. So if it's 1,000 milligram capsule, that means taking 4 of them, which may give you a little GI discomfort and burpy fish breath. So our product, the Lipo Omega, has 1,480 milligrams in each capsule. So you only have to take 2. You take one in the morning, one in the evening. Dr. Collier takes one with either breakfast or lunch and one with dinner. And you don't have to take it with food, but it is absorbed better and easier with food. But 2 of those a day will give you a lot of the benefits that you're looking for. And I think that if you go to the website, lipodrops.com, look for the Lipo Omega, and it will give you the benefit that you're seeking. And it may also help with the dry mouth. There are some things, some artificial salivas that can help with that. Also, I recommend patients to keep sugarless candy around, particularly things like drops, some kind of drop or sugarless gum that keeps you chewing, to make sure that your salivary glands are creating enough saliva to keep your mouth from being dry. Also, when your mouth is dry, everything is dry. That means you probably need to drink more water. 8 to 10 glasses of water per day is a very simple and elegant solution to help with the dry mouth, in addition to chewing gum or, again, a sugarless candy. I don't want you to have sugar candy in your mouth all the time, but sugarless gum or sugarless candy will help, and the chewing mechanism helps your salivary glands create that. Now, one of the problems may be that you have nasal obstruction and that you're breathing with your mouth open at night, particularly when sleeping. So that needs to be evaluated by a doctor or a dentist. I would go to an ear, nose, and throat specialist and possibly get a sleep study to see if you have obstructive sleep apnea or some other dysfunction like that that's drying your mouth out. Great question, Lisa Williams. We appreciate you.